This could be the car for you. The 2021 Toyota Highlander. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. From daily drives to epic road trips, this Highlander has you covered. This 3-row crossover seats up to 8 and offers a smooth, quiet, powerful ride, ample cargo capacity, flexible interior layout, advanced safety and driver assistance tech, as well as conveniences like multiple USB ports, an infotainment system, and multiple climate control zones. Get ready to build some family memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, keyless start, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, power liftgate, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps. Whether you need a spacious cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Highlander is ready for the task. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.